Alright, hello and welcome to Istanbul. The travels have officially started. Both me and Faisal arrived yesterday and this is our first day walking around. It's a little bit weird not having like my own home back at home, so to speak. So my home is literally my 2 bags. I'm here for 31 days. Faisal's here for 22 days. There's no immediate rush to go out and take all the photos in the world. I think one positive of long-term travel straight away is the fact that there is no rush. Also, don't laugh at my haircut. I got a last-minute haircut just before coming out here. As always, I asked for long on the top, short on the sides, and the geezer done short on the top and long on the sides. So then I had to get a second haircut to fix it, which is now I look like I have no hair at all. Okay, all good. There's loads of cats here as well. We're literally just broken. My neck is gone, his knee's gone, my back is gone. You'd think that we're not.
Did you tell YouTube about your neck?
Oh yeah, talking. So the other, as many of you know, I've got a slip disc in my neck, which is many people have. It's quite common. But I fell asleep the night before coming out here, or so 2 days before, and I must have slept in like a really weird way and just twisted my neck even more. And I basically woke up with my neck twisted to one side and it just wouldn't go back into the middle, and it was so weird, and I had to go to the physio literally like the day before coming out here to try and get it straightened out. It's still a little bit bent, but hopefully over time it will pull over to the other side. Yeah, just walking around here with a crooked neck. So we just walked down to the water, and what we were saying is just, it's so overwhelming. Like, there's so much here to photograph, to see, to do. There is like, this city is like so much bigger than London, and it's almost like, where do you even start? So one mistake I've made, I've not really planned for this trip because I've had other things going on running up to this. I didn't properly sit down and plan, and that's one big lesson going forward. So I just need to make a bit of a plan. I think Faisal's made a bit of a plan and a bit of an idea. Now we are lucky that we are going to be with some locals here as well who will show us around. But I think going forwards, planning is just such a big thing that I need to do. Yeah. Well, the sun's gone in now. So because it's Sunday and obviously it's Ramadan as well, everything at the moment is closed, which means this whole place is very, sorry, it's a good shot there. This whole place is very quiet, almost eerily, just quiet. I can't pronounce that word because I can't pronounce anything these days. But anyway, yeah, very quiet place. So we're just walking around and trying to get I guess a quiet vibe, if that's the right word, because if we come back tomorrow, then this place will be completely packed out. Right, I don't know, it's like almost surreal being here when it's empty like this, but like in a good way.
Yeah? Do you have any plans for today, or are you just chilling?
I have no plans for the rest of the days down here.
Alright.
Just like us.
There's a bike standing with that.
Yeah, oh, genius.
Yeah. Great.
Alright, so this is a wicked shot I've just found. So basically, we've got amazing light over here. We've got a wicked background, which is that bit of the mosque. We've got an old trolley here, and we've got our subject, which is, let's just call him Tom the Ginger Cat. And what I was waiting for, as you'd see, is the cat to cross and have that trolley there, cat in the middle, and a cool background. There we go, cat's crossing, and boom, just like that.
Real nice. Yeah?
Yeah, still absolutely amazed at the sheer scale of this place. Also, another thing I found is just the weather. It changes so quickly. It's like the forecast would say all day rain and cloud, and then it'll just all of a sudden open up like this. It is a bit chilly though, so something to keep in mind, but in general, I mean, the more frequently the weather changes, the better, in my opinion, because then it gives more interesting opportunities for photos. So far on day one, I am using the 33 f1.4. Obviously, I've got pretty much all the lenses with me. Overall, I found the 33 good. There are a couple of times where having a wider lens would come in handy, especially during like the slightly narrower streets. So it's something that I'll come back with. But one thing I'll definitely not do is come out with 20 different lenses. I mean, today's the 33. Maybe tomorrow I'll come out with a 16 to 55 or the 8 to 16 or the 18. It doesn't matter. So I'll just dedicate one day to one lens. Now, some of you might not know that I actually have a fetish for big clouds. Look at the fucking size of them.
Oh yeah.
That's some serious clouds. I wish I had a longer lens or a composition, but I'm gonna have to try and find a photo roll those clouds. But like, I don't know why, the big clouds are just so cool. Like, especially if they're like really dramatic or span across the landscape in the way that they look just like mega, like they do here. But yeah, anyway, that's my cloud fetish. Aside from big clouds, big boats are pretty cool as well. Like that one.
Size of that boat. Oh yeah.
I just wish the boat lined up with that cloud. That would have been quite cool. But still cool. Got like a big boat. So we've just left the metro station. I forgot to film the B-roll of it, but basically we tried to get a it's called a metro card, which is like allows you to transport around here, but it wouldn't accept any notes. Like we tried about at least 50 different notes. That's an exaggeration, a lot of notes. It just wouldn't accept it. It was a complete pot luck, which it would accept, which it wouldn't. So yeah, that was fun, but we've got the cards, so now we can get on the trams and the boats and all the public transport, like that tram over there. So it's a green light for us, but as you can see, not for everyone. So yeah, now we can cross though. Oh, it's red now and we can cross on red, so that's good. Alright, welcome to day 2, and today slightly different setup. I left the GoPro at home and I'm using the XT4 16-55 and the mic on top, hoping to be able to do everything at once, both photos, videos, vlogging and B-roll. So day 2, we're now back at the Egyptian market, and it's just so much busier. It's a Monday, people absolutely everywhere. It's heaving and even more overwhelming than it was yesterday. So now we're going to head back that way towards the main Grand Bazaar. So if you remember yesterday where I got the shot of the cat crossing just here, it's this very same road. However, because everything is open now, I honestly thought this was a different street, but it's not. It's the same road, everything's open, full of life compared to yesterday when it was completely deserted. It's crazy how just a busy scene can change the scene. So as we were coming in, the security guard looked straight away at my camera, which is obviously the XT4 and the 16-55, and pretty much said that you have to put your camera away and you can't use it here. He didn't give any clear reasons why, but someone who also was there translated that it's for security reasons, so I don't know. So yeah, if you're coming here, I would say put your bigger camera away and use your phone. Funnily enough, actually, Faisal on his Ricoh that he's using now didn't get any issues, so make of that what you will. Just made it out of the market, and I was saying to Faisal, I'm so happy that I've got my little bag here, because originally I was going to bring the camera on just like a crossbody strap, which would have meant I couldn't get in. But anyway, the market was okay. I'm not sure I'd go back there, at least not for photography. So I'm also being hassled every 2 minutes here. But yeah, that was the market.
Senden bana ne kaldı? Bir hatıradan başka. Bir daha geri dönme. Yalan katsın aşkı. Kalbimi kıvırakın.